Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to present this work. On behalf of my fellow author, I will present the result of our research in this presentation. My name is Muhammad Susanto. I'm from the Polytechnic Campus Riau, and right now I'm studying in PhD program in UTSM Malaysia in the subject of electrical and electronic engineering. Our title, our title or topic in our research is Natural Smart Home Automation System using LSTM based on household behavior. This is my outline: introduction, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Our background and problem statement: in Indonesia, household are categorized by Perusahaan Listrik Negara or PLN based on their electricity consumption. For example, electricity subscription. For example, the R1 or TR category limit electricity consumption to the maximum of 1,300 volt amperes. Many households exceed this limit due to the total power consumption of various electrical appliances, causing the miniature circuit breaker or MCB to trip frequently. Of course, the impact when MCB trip in rush current at the restart can increase electricity consumption and potentially damage appliance due to the large starting torque required. Risk and effect of overload, frequency overloading, and subsequent MCB tripping not only pose safety risks to household appliances but also result in safety hazard. Additionally, the frequently on-off cycling of electricity disrupt energy management in the home, leading to the inefficiency. Many solutions to solve this problem, but the previous work at static approach. Automatic control system based on load prioritization and the elimination of high consumption appliances have been implemented. But this approach have limitation. There is often static and lack adaptability to dynamic environmental factor. In this research approach, household behavior, study on household behavior residents to provide solution for preventing overload, utilizing IoT technology to capture residents' behavior data and deep learning technology like LSTM to automatically control the on-off state of electrical appliances based on this behavior. And using a IoT innovation in smart home automation system, using such as smart socket, thermostat, peer sensor, and water level sensor serve as data source for smart home automation system. Deep learning LSTM is applied to learn household behavior patterns that follow daily cycles, facilitating automatic control decision. Our research contribution to design a layered smart home automation system model using the LSTM algorithm with IoT device dataset, including the on-off status of electrical appliance and supporting sensor data. The paper will discuss the methodology of the system and its workflow, followed by performance evaluation of LSTM in predicting the on-off states of appliance using confusion metric parameter. Our proposed model for smart home automation system consists of three layers: the physical layer, the management layer, and the application layer. The IoT infrastructure is located in the physical layer, serving as data collector from various sensors within the smart home context, such as smart plug, temperature and humidity sensor, motion sensor, and others. Next, the management layer, well, which is the state-of-the-art component of the system, processes the data from the sensor into streaming dataset, referred to as HIACS. HIACS means Automation Home Electrical Appliance Control System. HIACS contain information on the on-off status of electrical appliance, the presence of people in the room temperature and humidity constantly updated according to the habits of the household occupant. This dataset can be directly utilized by deep learning in edge computing environment, where the LSTM algorithm is applied in this research. The output of this computation is classification for controlling the on-off status of electrical appliance through smart plug, represented by the red line from the management layer to the physical layer. In addition to automatic control, which is also facilitated by the Node-RED framework, to the system provide a manual control interface for user and online data storage. Meanwhile, the application layer functions as the user interface, featuring a dashboard for manual control and system monitoring of the smart home condition, including its environment of energy and energy usage, which is data accessed from online storage. Smart home automation system streaming dataset. As an initial overview, this dataset is collected by various sensors through an IoT network within a single wireless LAN, with MQTT as the communication protocol. Each sensor sends its data through MQTT topic to an MQTT broker. And Node-RED acting as an MQTT client, capturing all sensor information to then process it into a dataset. Node-RED then organized the dataset into a .csv file with label structured as shown in the following table. The LSTM model in this design, the model consists of 4 layers, 1 input layer, 2 hidden layer, and 1 output layer. The 25 LSTM cell of neuron in the hidden layer are determined based on the variation of input variables and the classification model in the output layer. These 2 hidden layers are designed as fully connected layers to learn the complex relationship between input variable of feature. The input layer varies according to the variable in the dataset table that have strong correlation with the smart plug appliance being targeted for the output. Meanwhile, the output layer contains only 1 neuron, as it is intended for single on or off classification. In this design, each smart plug appliance has a different model depending on the number of input variable, but the LSTM structure remains the same. This research used Google Colab and Python programming as the environment for the building smart home automation system, starting from dataset preparation, data pre-processing, including cleaning and transformation, to the model creation and evaluation. In this result and discussion, we will discuss about 3 parts. The first is data pre-processing. In this section, the result of the exploratory data analysis or EDA are presented. Focusing on the correlation between input variable, we concentrate on smart plug appliances like air conditioner, television, and water pump as the test subject of the system. The correlation result for the input variable targeting the three smart plug are as follow. There is a smart SAC. There is 10 input variable with a correlation between 0.03, and the smart plug of television have 8 input variable with correlation of 0.1, and the smart plug of water pump motor water pump machine have 5 input variable with a correlation 0.1. We found that time variable like PK, HL, HR, D, W, WS, and SM have an influence on control variables such as air conditioner, television, and water pump. Although the correlation are small, ranging from 0.01 to 0.17, time variable extracted from the time series data are particularly significant due to their impact of household appliance usage, which is influenced by time-based pattern. Once the input variable are determined, the next step is to create LSTM model for each three smart plug. Performance evaluation use confusion metric with true, positive, false, negative, true, negative, and false, positive value. The resulting parameter include accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. The evaluation show that the LSTM model effectively learns household behavior with high accuracy, achieving 98% for television, 97.6% for the water pump. Group the accuracy for the air conditioner is lower at 81.9%. The television exhibits this precision and recall at 95% and 98% respectively, indicating accurate on or prediction with minimal errors. The water pump also performed well with 85.7% precision and 85% recall. However, the air conditioner has lower precision at 79.5% compared to recall 90.3%, indicating more false positive. This performance gap may due to difference in appliance usage pattern. Accurate prediction have prevent electrical overload, ensuring household safety and optimizing energy management. Future research could explore contextual factors such as weather, time of day, and user behavior, as well as improving sensor accuracy for better prediction, especially for air conditioner. Smart home automation system performance evaluation with real-world data. The model was developed using dataset from February to April 2024 and is now being tested with data from 14 to 21 May 2024. The test is divided into three category weekdays: Monday to Friday, weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and all days combined to assess the impact of different time habits. The result as follows. The accuracy for smart plug air conditioner was lower compared to as television and smart plug water pump, particularly on weekdays, with smart plug air conditioner achieving just only 51%. Television have 66.1% and smart water pump at 83.3%. Interestingly, smart plug as air conditioner accuracy improved on weekend, reaching 67.3%, while smart plug water pump remains stable at around 82.2%. In overall, smart smart plug water pump um, machine show consistently higher accuracy around 82.8% compared to SAC and AC and television, indicating better predicting performance for the water pump. Time factor do not significantly impact to smart plug for water pump machine modeling, unlike smart plug air conditioner and television. This accuracy variation highlight the importance of considering time based on user habit to prevent overload and optimize energy efficiency, particularly during unpredictable weekend usage. And the conclusion for this book is the natural smart home automation system has been successfully implemented in this study. The use of LSTM deep learning is highly relevant to sequential time-based data like the AHEAC dataset. Results showed high accuracy for television at 98% and water pump machine at 97.6%, with slightly lower accuracy for the air conditioner at 81.9%. This demonstrates the system effectiveness in the real-world application with accuracy fluctuated depending on the day. The scalability and adaptability of natural smart home automation system model to different appliance and environment mark a significant advancement in smart home automation, offering a practical solution for preventing electrical overload and improving household energy management. Future research should focus on enhancing the natural smart home automation system model by incorporating advanced AIoT techniques. This could involve using more sophisticated deep learning for precise control and integrating IoT to account for additional factors such as appliance priorities and contextual conditions. Developing method to manage complex household energy use and adapt to varying scenario could further improve the system's accuracy and efficiency in preventing overload. Thank you for the time and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.